What's going on, everybody? Jeremy with Detroit Tech. We got a little bit of a, I guess you could call it an unbox therapy style video today. Our buddies over at Shield On sent us over a couple of phone cases. These things look pretty sweet, so let's just dive right in. All right, so what we have, this one is for the iPhone 5/5S/SE, which Corey has one for work. Ooh, to my dear customer. I like you guys, this is nice. It's a service card. Couple of, here we go. Genuine leather. If it gets wet, wipe it off. Pretty useful. Ooh, this is nice actually. Ooh, that was loud. All right, so it actually comes in like, cool, like, I don't even know what this is. Velvet. And then we've got the case right here, the back. Let's hope we have the right iPhone. All right, and this one we have is the Galaxy S7 Edge. Again, our dear customer. All right, same cool little velvety case. I don't know, it's kind of, I don't know what to call it. It's nice though, I like it. And let's see here, this is definitely bigger, but it's nice black leather. You got the nice kind of tan brown, a little bit different closure too. Cool. All right, so Shield On sent us two cases rather. Like I said, iPhone 5/5S and SE is what this will fit. Unfortunately, the iPhone that Corey has for work was an iPhone 6. So Shield On, really sorry about that. That's my bad, but I really do like this case. It's got really nice magnetic, I can't even like undo it, it's so good. Magnetic clip here. Look, you still have, of course, spot for the phone. You always see the Apple logo. That's always good. Not phone, this is it for a camera. And then of course you've got spot for, you know, driver's license, a couple of credit cards. Really useful case. I can see it's being really useful, and it is a really nice leather feel to it. The other case we got was for the Galaxy, no, not the Galaxy Note, the S7 Edge. I said Note like 4 times. This is like take number 3 or 4, I don't know. Anyway, so again, we'll put the phone in just a second. Again, slightly different, but it is magnetic latch here. Spot for the camera, not the phone, for the camera. Again, it's a bigger phone, so it has a few more spots for the cards. And this one's actually cool. It's a kickstand case. So let's get a phone in here. So I have Corey's old S7 Edge here, and I want you to see something. I'm holding it upside down. Do you see that right there? How it's like broken? So this is the S7 Edge we had, and I really did want to check out these cases. So we have this. I think if Corey had, yes, this is Corey's old phone. I think if he had this would not have happened. Just saying. All right. Wow, that went in really, really easily. No messing around. And good news is I can't drop the phone and break it more. Well, I could, but who cares? So it holds in really, really well. Doesn't add a lot of thickness. I mean, it's a little bit thicker than the phone, but it's nothing crazy, especially, dare say, especially if you're someone who happens to carry a purse around, all 10% of our viewership. And yeah, takes a little bit, you gotta flex it a little bit, but man, it's pretty sweet. Oh, and that folds over so it's not in the way. So I'll show you over here, so it kind of folds over right there. Flex it a little bit, and there you go. And then flip and flip. That's perfect. No issues with the camera. So all in all, these cases are pretty stinking sweet. I wish I wasn't such an idiot and told them I had the right iPhone, because that, again, my bad, Shield On. But these cases are pretty good. The leather is phenomenal on them. It feels really good and smells like this is legitimate real leather. And as they said in one of their stickers in here, you can feel the nature, which sounds funny, but I totally agree with. So I'll put some links down below. Go ahead and buy these. These are awesome. I really like them. They've got a bunch of them. They got a bunch of iPhones, a bunch of Samsung ones. So those are basically 2 of the bigger smartphone manufacturers in the world. So they're covered for the vast majority of people. Cool thing I noticed here as well is you have this cutout at the top. I just tested this. You can actually call somebody and close this. So you don't have, because I mean, you have to either like fold it around. I don't, this is awkward. So you call somebody or pick up the phone and then you can close it, and that opening allows you to have it closed. Now I can talk. And so it's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna get some face grease on here, but nothing a quick little rub down won't take care of. Yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Hey guys, appreciate you watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.